Yes.
Myself, Vijay Kumar. I lives in Bhopal, which is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh state, है ना? And I come from my hometown is in Sindhi district, which is another district of the Madhya Pradesh. I came from that place. I born in Bhopal, but my mother tongue is other.
What is?
My mother tongue is the Bagheli. Bagheli. In MP, the question of language.
First you tell about Bagheli.
Okay. My mother tongue Bagheli. Bagheli speaks in Sindhi, Singrauli, Rewa, Satna, Sahdol, Umaria. Umaria and Anupur. 7 districts speaks Bagheli.
The tribal language?
It's not a tribal language, but it's a regional language.
Regional language.
Regional language. Madhya Pradesh is divided into 5 regions actually. Baghelkhand, Bundelkhand. There is the 5 and 6 districts in Bundelkhand. Even 10 districts. Sagar, Tikamgarh, Panna, Chhatarpur, Jhansi. These are the Baghelkhand region.
The region.
Region, yes, region.
A language region.
Regional language. These are the regional language. So in Bundelkhand, there is in Bundelkhand region, the language of local language of Bundelkhand is Bundeli. In Baghelkhand, the regional language of that area is Bagheli. One is other region is Malwa. There is 8 and 10 districts also in the Malwa region. Malwa region, local language, mother tongue there is Malvi,
Right.
and Nimar, and Pashchimi Nimar. Five regions in Madhya Pradesh. All the regional languages are different. If you say Bagheli in a Malwa region, the people of Malwa region cannot understand the Bagheli. And if your mother tongue is the Nimari, you speaks with the Bundeli people who lives in Bundelkhand area, they cannot understand the different languages. Some words can be same. But whole language is not same. But in urban area of the Madhya Pradesh, the main centers of the urban centers in the Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, Gwalior. In these areas, people who came from the other region of the Madhya Pradesh, they speak in Hindi.
So it's a...
We can say the Hindi in a Madhya Pradesh is an urban language. We can say.
This urban language, Hindi is urban language situation is all over India phenomena or Madhya Pradesh only?
It is all over India actually, mainly in the North India. The people who lives in South Indian states, Tamil, Telugu, Malayali, they think that in North India is one language, but it's not true. It's not correct. It is very wrong interpretation and wrong perception of the North India. In North India, Bihar and UP, there is a reasons. Braj, the language of Braj, Awadhi, Maithili. These languages are speaking in the villages.
Yeah, that I know.
Yeah. So, North India is not a Hindi-speaking ilaka area. So, my message to the Indian state and my message to the Modi, please don't say this country have a one language. This country have a different languages, different culture. It is a fulfill of the diversities. So don't go there actually. Yeah.
What is the school education in the tribal area?
In school education, it is in Hindi language, Hindi or English language. Because of the Raj Bhasha, not Rashtra Bhasha. Raj Bhasha means the government official language, government language is a Hindi in the all North Indian state. So the Raj Bhasha is a Hindi, but not a mother tongue is Hindi. Mother tongue is
They not teach the mother tongue.
No, they do not teach it. Who speaking the mother tongue in a region, they fight for it actually. They establish their own cultural centers. They established on their own, like Bollywood, Hollywood, Collywood. They established there. है ना? There is the fight. There is the struggle to recognize the regional language in a state level. There is a fight. People are fighting for for the curriculum, for the education. They taught by their own regional, own mother tongue, own regional language.
That is, but they're not.
But state is not care about it actually. State wants to the Hindi language is whole region.
Another question is there. It's not possible that you understand. One nation, one language question is not possible in India.
In India, not possible. It is not possible. Actually, in the perception of the Hindi, है ना? Actually, if you go to the Haryana, if you go to the Punjab, if you go to the Rajasthan and Gujarat, few people, because of the Rajbhasha, because of the government official language is Hindi.
Government official language Hindi.
So that's why the people have compelled to learn Hindi actually.
Compel.
Yeah. That's why people have compelled to learn Hindi. Otherwise, if state provides them to literature in their own language, because the all regional language has a literature, has a language. Some regional languages have a no written language, but they speak. So, if and also the tribal language also is there, important, very important. Some linguistics experts are saying that, and they always says that if a language is finished, vanished, the one civilization is vanished. One section of society is vanished actually. They're destroyed actually. So in Madhya Pradesh, there is a tribal language also, the Bhil language, the Gondi language. They have no written scripts, but they speak. And people of Gond tribe and people of Bhil tribe, they speak their own language very well, but they don't know the words of the Hindi actually in tribal language, the old people. But new generation is compelled to learn Hindi. So because of the majority
this problem.
This is problem.
The literatures, union language, there are mother tongue language, literatures there.
Literatures there. Some mother tongue languages, some regional languages have their own literature, have their own lipi. Lipi means what we say?
Language. Written language.
Written language. But some have no these things. But people are speaking.
That is. So, Red Star, what is the position of Red Star?
Okay, my party, once again I introduce myself. I am the Central Committee of CPML Red Star. Our party stand is very clear about it, the language question. Language should be any person, because of this is multinational country, and multinational country, each nationality has its own language, So education, administration, and all the things should be their own language. Mother tongue. Should be own mother tongue actually. Because of the learning and learning capacity and understanding capacities, his own mother language is a very powerful and very good. People can learn each and everything in own language very fast. On mother tongue is very fast. So our position is very clear about it. Yes. And people have to choice. They want to learn 2 and 3 languages, 4 languages, 5 languages. It is okay.
They are okay.
It is okay. But state should be provide the freedom.
School education
should be on their
school education, official education must be in the mother language.
Mother language, yes. This is our political demand.
This is our political demand of the.
Okay, CPML Red Star has taken this position.
Thank you.